Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by updating to 2, and loading the specific level that contains the Gatekeeper door. Once done, enable practice mode so you can place checkpoints and test risky jumps without losing progress. Make sure you have any required keys or collectibles visible on the map. If not, backtrack to grab them before attempting the door. You're setting up a safe, repeatable run that reduces frustration and isolates the exact spot you must hit to open the gate. Now you execute the entry sequence. Approach the trigger point at a steady speed and use the dash or gravity flip exactly where the map cues you. You should place a checkpoint just before the door trigger so you can retry one specific input frame repeatedly. Watch the visual cues, background patterns, and block spacing tell you the timing. If your input window is off, reset to the checkpoint and adjust by a single frame difference until the door registers your action reliably. Finish by performing the final input combo, dash, jump, or flip, at the trigger frame. When timed correctly, the Gatekeeper door opens and lets you continue. After entry, confirm any keys or rewards registered so your progress is saved. If the door doesn't open, make sure 2 is fully installed, then retry from the checkpoint and nudge your input timing by 1 frame. Often a tiny adjustment fixes it. If problems persist, try a different checkpoint placement closer to the trigger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.